Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain, and welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 75. Today, we're going to be answering a question we get often from our clients, and that is, what should I tell my family about my estate plan? Now, this actually came up yesterday. A client gave me a call and said, hey, listen, my husband's parents died. How do we find out if they had a will or not? And my answer was, well, you really can't know unless you have the documents. You can really just call around to different attorneys' offices that they might have used and find out if they had created a will for that person. Unless, of course, the family knows where the documents are. So at a minimum, when you do your estate plan, you should tell your family that you have done an estate plan. You should tell them where the documents are kept. Where are the original copies of the will and the trust and the powers of attorney? Where are their copies of those documents? You should tell them who is in charge if something happens, who's named as the agent under a power of attorney, who's the first choice, who's the alternate, who is in charge of the trust or the executor under the will, so that when someone needs to take charge and do things, they know that they're the one that is supposed to be stepping up and doing things. So at a minimum, you should be communicating those things to your family so that there's clarity, people know what they're supposed to be doing, and they know where to get the documents that will tell them what to do and the documents that give them the authority to do what they need to do. Now, of course, you can tell them more if you want. You can tell the family how the will or the trust is set up, who the beneficiaries are, who's getting what. You can tell them about your asset information. Different people are, have different ideas about what they should share about their asset information and about their beneficiary information. So that's completely up to you. But at a minimum, make sure that your loved ones know where your documents are and who needs to be in charge if you become incapacitated or when you pass away. So I hope that is helpful for you today. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us. Our contact information is in the show notes. We'll see you next week. Thanks.